Ang impeachment, sa palagay ko, to get 1/3 of the vote in the House, 106, is probably a given. That's not so complicated. It certainly puts the Visayas and Mindanao congressman in a bind. Hirap talaga sila. I enjoin them. Total, malalakas naman ang mga Cebu congressman, malalakas naman, may teritoryo naman at mga constituencies ang mga Mindanao congressman. We will, like we will in the Senate, vote in conscience. Conscience vote na lang. Kasi may teritoryo naman kayo, mananalo naman. Nakakatakot lang, dati FLR, itetenga lahat ng project. Diba? That's always the problem. Since 2023, wala nang release pag oposisyon ka. So, takot sila dun sa FLR. Always three little letters. FLR. Yung una, so wala kang project. You cannot bring home the bacon to your district. So, magagalit yung tao sa'yo, wala kang matulong. Tapos, the other three little letters is OMB. Kakasuhan ka. Ombudsman. Yun, mas nakakatakot. Kaya, naawa nga ako sa mga congressman, especially in Visayas and Mindanao. Hirap talaga. But still, 106 out of the entire Congress, which is only 1/3, I think it's a given, ano? Sa Senate, mas malabo. Yun, tignan natin ang bilangan dyan, di ko alam. Since we're going to be judges, like you said, thank you. Thank you. Maingat kami kasi mamaya, di ba, mag-judge kami. There are those of us who are known to be very close to the VP. In the minority, there's 9 of us. And then there are quite a few re-electionists also. There are also those who, in conscience, will be voting and determining the weight of the evidence. So lahat kami, it will end up being really an issue of evidence. Pero malaki ang minority, pero marami rin ang kinakasuhan. Kaya ito yung problema namin. Yun nga, the three little letters, FLR or OMB. Diyos ko, yun ang madugo. Nasanay na sa FLR, OMB naman ang problema.